everyone, my name is Dipti Pandey from class 5th B. Today I am doing one science experiment which is lemon density with water. So first we have to take two glasses which is full of water, which is filled full of water. And we have to take 1 spoon and salt and 2 lemons. So first we have to put 1 lemon into the water. So what it happened? The water density is more than lemon. So lemon comes down. In the next one we have to put some salt . And we have to mix it well. When this and then we have to put lemon. So now as you can see, the lemons is float. So what we have seen that in first we are putting only water, and when we put lemon over it, it sinks. But when we put water and some salt, it is floating. So this is my science